Kuwait. This is with regards to two Indian nurses working in Kuwait Health Services who have now been removed from their jobs after putting out a pro-Israel post. Now, one nurse has been detained. A top government source has told CNN News 18 that the Indian mission has intervened in this matter as well, and they have spoken to the detained nurse. This is the particular information that we are receiving right now with regards to this case. This is the two nurses were working in the Kuwait health sector. And we have Neetu joining us live on this broadcast to bring us more information with regards to this breaking piece of input that we've received. Neetu, what details are we receiving? Because what we are gathering is the Indian mission has intervened and they've spoken to the detained nurse.
Yes, that's what we are understanding from sources, that two of these nurses who were working with the Kuwait Health Services, they had put up pro-Israel post, and because of this post, both of them have been removed from their jobs. So they have lost their jobs is what we are understanding. Both of them are female nurses. Now, one of them is detained. That is the information that we have as of now, and we have sources are telling us that the Indian mission has intervened in this matter. They have spoken to the detained nurse. They are trying to give them any assistance is what we are understanding at the moment.
Right, Neetu.